Here's a great example of just using the SAT's own rules to our advantage, right? We know that the SAT prefers shorter choices. One choice is very short, right? It's going to have us delete everything. So that's where I'm leaning. I would say, well, that's probably right. Let me see if there's a reason that I can't delete it. And if we look at the different choices that are there, they all kind of say the same thing using different words, right? Constructed for this function is pretty much the same as built for this purpose. Like, they literally just use slightly different words to say the exact same thing. Those are synonyms. But here's the deal. How would I determine which of those is right? It's not really a vocab issue, right? Constructed and function aren't really like overly difficult words. So it's not really about that. There must be something else going on. Well, if we know that the SAT tends to prefer shorter choices, and we remember that the reason the longer choices are usually wrong is that they repeat something that's already in the sentence, we know what to do. We want to look for repetition. If something is specially designed, then it is built for a purpose, or constructed for a function, or intended for a use. Specially designed covers all these choices. We don't need to say that again. That's what specially designed means. So we can delete it because we've already said it. Even if you didn't look for all of that, D was the safer bet. But try to prove it if you can. Just, keep it short. But if you can prove why long is bad, that's always better. Because sometimes they slip in a grammar rule that you don't expect, and it turns out that the long answer is actually right for some other reason. But if you're trying to prove it, you're more likely to notice the rule and catch yourself before you make a mistake.